to tell me when you're starting.
I've started.
So why didn't you say? Alright, hi everybody, this is me, Chris Hill. This is the Holiday Inn in Bloomsbury, Russell Square. This is where we're going to be on March the 17th and 18th, doing my first 2018 Get Your Life Back seminar. And I thought, get here and let's show you around. We've got the beautiful Sylvia here. She's going to run around with us. Look, say hello, Sylvia. IP bit where we're going to be, yeah? So follow me. It's going to be like, you know, whose house is this? What do you call it? It's still live. Yeah. It's live. It's live. See, we got now. Not used to Facebook Lives. Let's go. Come on. Oh, come on, you've got to catch up. So look, this is the nice bar area. This is where you're going to be able to get all of your coffees and your teas. Come on. This is where you can have a nice meal and everything. So those of you that want to stay for 2 days, this is where we're going to be. Come on. You don't have to because you can all go home and then come back. This is the beautiful reception. This is where we're going to walk into. Right down the end is where we're going to sign you in. Got to get your heart rate going, haven't you? Choice. This is going to be our reception bit where we're going to have like teas and coffees and water and everything like that, so we can nice and relax. And now we come into the venue. Oh, this is where we're going to be. 200 people, you know, all singing and dancing, and there's the stage. So this is what I'm going to teach everyone, okay? So we're going to be here for 2 days. You're going to be in this room, 200 people, okay? I'm going to be teaching you all about your mind, your subconscious mind. I'm going to be teaching you about your emotions and your feelings. I'm going to teach people how to stop smoking or drinking. I'm going to teach people how to get rid of bad habits. I'm going to teach people how to get rid of anxiety and stress. And it's all going to happen in this room. So, and right at the back, we're going to have music. We're going to have Brandon Block, we're going to have DJs. They're going to be right back here, right there, on the decks. Everyone's going to be singing and dancing. Up here we've got our screen. So I'm going to have a flip chart. I'm going to do my famous drawings that everybody loves. I'm going to do like all of our, what do you call them?
Slides.
I always need a bit of help. And then, so this is where it's going to happen. So it's 2 days, 17th, Saturday and Sunday, 17th and 18th of March. Listen, if you want to change something in your life, I have the solution. You know, what we've got is fear and procrastination. People are frightened of change. Every time you try and change something in your life, your mind says, but, and we shouldn't do that, we shouldn't do that. And then we just repeat our cycles every single year. We carry on smoking, we carry on drinking, we carry on in those, you know, abusive relationships that we still feel compelled to stay in. How do you unlock it? How do you unlock that emotion? How do you get that detachment? That is what's going to happen in this room. I want you to be part of this. You know, even if you've got, you know, the slightest doubt, email me. You can jump on the phone and call me and I will talk you through it. So whatever fear, whatever, you know, procrastination is going in, we can change it, okay? And that's what's going to happen in this room. Now, we've actually got a special ticket. So those tickets are £97. And I promise you, you're going to get all of the information. But if you want something a little bit more personal, we're actually doing an extra evening the night before. So on Friday the 16th of March, okay, we're going to gather a small amount of people. We've got a special room upstairs where I'm going to take you in a minute, and we're going to do a very personalised part of the weekend. But trust me, you don't have to get this ticket, but if you want something extra, I'm going to show you where we're going to be. So we're good for now. We're going to follow Sylvia, the beautiful Sylvia. And then I hope you're enjoying this tour. Here you go. Just through here, get up the stairs. Sylvia's got the key. And remember, going up the stairs is really good to get your heart rate going. It's really good exercise. If you can't get outside, use the stairs. In fact, when I got to Russell Square, I thought, don't take the lift, I'm going to take the stairs. It was 171 stairs. I had to rest 3 times going up the stairs. And I thought I was fit. Come on, towards this go. Come on. Have a look at this place. This is the VIP bit. So if you want something a little bit special, come and look at this place. How you doing, gentlemen?
Yeah, good.
We're just doing a little bit of Facebook Live, spreading the message, spreading the love. So look, this is the reception area where we're going to do a very special event on the Friday night. So if you want to come up here, we've got a very beautiful place. Look, there's all over here. There's all lovely fruit and, you know, snacks and coffee and, you know, and then we've got this very private room. So if you want it a little bit more personalised, if you want it like real one-to-one with me like the night before, then this is what the VIP ticket gets you. So it's very select. It's only going to be for like, you know, I don't know, 20 people, something like that. But, you know, we're going to just do something very special, and we're just going to like just look into a little bit of your story, find out exactly why you're coming, and we're going to try and personalise it. But trust me, if you can't afford that ticket is a £250 ticket. But if you've ever bought the online course, okay, you can have that ticket for 150 quid. Other than that, it's £97 to change your life, okay? I can't tell you how important. It's not even about the money. See, changing someone's life, changing someone's emotion is priceless. If you can get rid of fear, if you can get rid of an emotional pain, okay, it is priceless. Don't think about the money. The other thing I need to say to you is what people are doing is we're procrastinating, yeah? We're procrastinating about some of the things that we're doing, okay? We need to stop listening to the mind. What you need to do consciously, and this is me consciously talking to you, you're listening consciously, you can make the change. You can make the change in your life. All you got to do is press this button. Press this button. Go onto my website, beatmyaddictions.com. Beatmyaddictions.com. Get the ticket. Once you buy the ticket, no one can stop you. No one can stop you improving your life. This is what this is all about. This is what the venue downstairs is about. I've had to invest thousands of pounds to change your life. All you've got to do is invest, you know, a little under £100, and I promise I'm going to change your life. So that's me. This is the venue, March the 17th and 18th. You know, I really hope that you can be with us. You know, please message me, chris@beatmyaddictions.com, or just, you know, private message me through Messenger, and I'm happy to take any of your questions. So that's me. I'm out of here. I'm knackered. No more stairs, and I'll see you really soon. So Teresa's going to press the button, and then we're off, yeah?